In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between light and dark themes in Trello. Whether you're a long-time Trello user or someone just getting started, customizing the appearance of your Trello boards can make a huge difference in your user experience. Let's dive right in and see how easy it is to change the theme settings. First things first, you need to log in to your Trello account. Go ahead and launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Once the page loads, you'll see the login button waiting for you at the top. Click on that to get started. Now you'll be prompted to choose your login method. If you're using Google to manage your accounts, you can simply click on the Google button. This will allow you to select your Google account and seamlessly log into Trello without any fuss. If you've got multiple accounts, be sure to pick the right one that you use for Trello. Once you're logged in and on your Trello dashboard, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find your profile photo. This little icon acts as a gateway to customizing your Trello experience. Click on your profile photo to open up a drop-down menu with several options. In this menu, you will be looking for the theme option. Go ahead and give it a click. This will open up a new window where all the magic happens. Here you'll see various theme options that Trello offers its users. Trello offers 3 different theme choices: light, dark, and match browser. If you're someone who enjoys the classic cleaner look, the light theme is likely your best choice. On the other hand, if you find a darker interface easier on the eyes during long hours of work, the dark theme will be your new best friend. The third option, Match Browser, automatically adjusts the Trello theme based on your browser's current theme, providing a seamless and adaptable user experience. Simply click on the option that best suits your preference, and with that one click, Trello will immediately update to reflect your chosen theme. Having the ability to switch between themes effortlessly allows you to personalize your workspace environment. This can significantly enhance your productivity and overall experience on Trello. It's a small change, but it can have a big impact, allowing you to tailor the visibility of your boards according to the time of day or your own visual comfort needs. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully changed the look of your Trello boards to match your personal style. We hope this guide has helped you feel more at home in your Trello environment. Thank you for watching and enjoy your customized Trello experience.